For an economy, it is given that C is equal to C naught plus by subscript D. C denotes the consumption function, where C naught is the autonomous consumption when the level of income is 0. B denotes the marginal propensity to consume. Y subscript D denotes the disposable income. And disposable income is equal to total income minus T denotes the taxes, and taxes are a function of income, where T is equal to T naught plus small t y. T naught is the lump sum tax plus small t denotes the marginal tax rate, y denotes the income. We are being given the autonomous consumption is 100, autonomous investment is 90, marginal propensity to consume is 0.75, government expenditure, which is autonomous here, which is 330, and taxes, lump sum taxes are 240, and marginal tax rate is 20%. We are supposed to find out the equilibrium level of income. So we know that at equilibrium, what happens? Our total income should be equal to the consumption expenditure plus investment expenditure plus government spending. Now here, investment is autonomous, that is being given us as 90. Government spending is also autonomous. So let's write it here, I naught and G naught. Okay, so that means our y, so let me write it here, y will be equal to what's consumption function, that is this function, C naught plus B times what is yd. Yd is this very function, that is disposable income, the level of income that is left after paying the taxes. So in place of y subscript d, I will write y minus t first, then we have I naught plus then we have G naught. Okay, or we can write y is equal to C naught plus B. Okay, and let me write here, so y, we know that y denotes the income minus what is t, taxes are a positive function of income, so in place of t I can write T naught plus marginal tax rate times y. Okay, then we have I naught plus G naught. Okay, that gives us y will be equal to C naught plus B. Here we have y, so this minus is multiplied to each of these terms, we get negative. T naught minus into plus is minus again, so we get ty plus I naught plus G naught. Okay, so let us give the variables their values. So we have y will be equal to consumption is being given us as autonomous consumption is 100 plus marginal propensity to consume is 0.75. So 0.75 can be written as 75 upon 100, which is equal to 3 upon 4. Okay, or let's write it as 0.75. Then we have y minus this is 240 minus T naught times y. So sorry, T small t times y. So T is 0.2 y. Okay, so let's write it here, 0.2 y plus investment is 90 and government expenditure is 330. Okay, now solving further, so we have y will be equal to, so we have first 100 plus 0.75. Here we have y minus 0.2y, so it is 0.8y. 0.8y minus 240 plus 90 plus 330. Okay, so here we have 100, 330 plus 100 is 430, so 430 plus 90, so we have 430 plus 90, so it comes out to be 520. So we have y will be equal to 5 20 plus 0.75 means 3 upon 4. Okay, so let us do the multiplication. So we have 0.75 times 8. So we have 0.75 times 0.8, or let us do it like this. So we have 75 into 8, so 8 5s are 40, 8 7s are 56, 57, so it is 60, so 600. So then we have 1 2 3, so we will get 0.6. okay, so we here it becomes 0.6. then we have again 0.75 into 240, so this is 3 upon 4 into 240, so 4 1s are 4 6s are, so this comes out to be 180. So we have negative 180, and here we have y obviously. So transpose this term here, so we have y minus 0.6y is equal to, so 520 minus 180, 520 minus 180, so so this is 340 here, so we get here 340, subtract 0.6y from y, 0.4 is equal to 340, or this is 4 upon 10, so we have 4 upon 10, y is equal to 340, or y will be equal to 340 into 10 upon 4, or let me write it here, I have the space left, so y will be equal to 340, transpose this term, it gets multiplied but reciprocated, it becomes 10 upon 4, so we will get 4 1s are 4 8s are 32, 4 5s are 20, so 85 into 10 is 810 will be the equilibrium level of income. I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.